Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a method with you whereby you can earn a hell of a lot of money for very little work, and it's that simple. You can even do all of this using just your phone. And please watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video you'll know how this works, how to set this up, and more importantly how much money you can actually make with this method, because you don't need any skills or experience and it's genuinely a simple process. And look, if you want more ways to make money online for free, come over to my blog. I've got a members area over here. There's lots of resources and freebies in there. So I was doing a bit of research for a blog article, and I'm going to share that with you in this video and how all of this method works, because it's pretty straightforward. And we're going to use free websites. So for this, we're over on this website here, and it's called Clickbank. This is basically a huge affiliate network whereby you can recommend and share products and you can earn some pretty decent money. As you can see here, I mean, look at this, $679. This one here, I mean, look at this, 1,750 cents. And this is the #1 stock investing. What is this? #1 stock investing club, wealth builders club monthly commissions. Hell of a mouthful, isn't it? But basically, over on here, on the left-hand side, you've got all of these different categories, and you can go ahead and find products and services whereby you can promote them or share them, and then you can earn an affiliate commission if somebody purchases one of these products. So I'm going to show you how all of this works. I'm going to show you how you can do all of this without a website, without spending a lot of time with this, and once this is set up, it will become an evergreen income for you. And you might be thinking, what's evergreen? What does that mean? It basically means we do the work once in an evergreen topic or a niche, which is normally traditionally it's health and fitness, wealth, relationships. It's something which people are always going to be interested in. They're always going to be on, Google or YouTube or Quora and these different platforms looking for advice or, some hints or tips around one of those methods. But let's use this one as an example. I mean, that's a hell of a conversion that you can actually earn with this. So if I come here, if I wanted to promote this product or any product on Clickbank, you simply click on promote here, okay? And it opens up. You can see here, look, you will earn 50% commissions for every customer that you refer to this product. So I'm going to click on generate hop link. So at this moment in time, that long ugly link there is what we're going to be using, okay? So this is step one. Come over to Clickbank, sign up for a free account, and then we find a product. And look, you don't just have to use Clickbank. You can use this on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore24, or any of these other platforms. The other thing what you can do with this method is where it says affiliate page here, click on here. It's going to open this up into a new tab for me, and basically it will tell you more information about the product, and then normally give you tools and resources to promote this product here. So if you go down here, look, how to promote this through social media. Come further on the page here, look, they've got all of these here. Look, use any of the popular sites, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Forums, they give you banner ads and all this wonderful stuff, because basically, look, if they can help you to send them traffic, then obviously it's in their best interest to do so, because they're earning money and obviously you're earning money. So it's a bit of a win-win for everyone. So we've gone on to Clickbank, we've found a product that we're going to promote. The next part of this whole process is we're going to need something which is called a landing page, and this is really simple and you can do this for free, and I'll show you how to do this, okay? So I'm over here on Canva, and look, I'll drop a link to this below for you. Now over on Canva, it's absolutely free to get started with. You can create all of these things on here. You can do lots and lots of stuff on here. You can use this for social media, you can use it for many things. But at the top here, you're just going to type in, as you can see here, website. Okay, and it takes a second, and then look, you can get all of these. Now, just take note, where it says Pro down here, you don't want that one because it will cost you. But bear in mind that these are all templates, so you can go into any of these and edit them. So you see this one here, let's just keep going down. Let's just find one where it says free, basically. So look at this one over here, look, this is free. And then this one here is free. So you go ahead and you select any one that you like. Now, I've done this previously, so let me just go to here. I'll go to your designs, because this only takes a few minutes to set all of this up. So you can see here, look, your design. So I use this software a lot. Now, where is it? See this one over here, look. Let me just go into here. I'm going to click on edit. But basically, you just select the template, okay? So this would be our landing page, which is basically whereby we are sending people to, instead of just sending them over directly to the Clickbank offer, okay? So on here, you would put some information, relevant and congruent with the products that you're going to be promoting and sharing. Okay, so you try and match the colors maybe and take some of the information from here. Now you remember before we had this long ugly link here. We copy this here. Okay, we'll click on copy. We then come into any part of this, and as I've mentioned, this inside of Canva here, this is a template, so you can edit any part of this that you want. So if we wanted to, change any part of this, you can do so. So in fact, let me just start at the beginning. I'll give you an actual example of this really quickly. So we'll come up here, we'll go to website, and I'll show you just how quickly this whole process works. So we'll go to website, I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to find a free one. Okay. So where's it gone? Anyone will do. Page 1. I don't want that. Why has it done that? A bio link website. Sorry, that is the one we want. Bio link website. So we're going to find a free one. Where's it gone? It's disappeared. Where's it gone? Anyway, I just need one. Here we go. This one will do as an example. But again, you can click on any of these. Okay. So we're going to click on that. It opens up. And then as I've mentioned, this is a template, so you can edit any part of this that you like. So if you don't want, this here, let me just get rid of that up there, okay? So if you don't want any part of this, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can change the text, you can change the font, you can bold it, you can play around with this as much as a little as you like. But let's just say, for argument's sake, we're just going with this one over here. So we'll just go with beat the market, okay? Really, and I'm doing this genuinely really quickly. So I'm going to click on there. On the text, I'm going to type in beat the market, okay? And let's just get rid of all this here, right? So I don't want that, I don't want that, and I don't want that, I don't want that, I don't want that, and I don't want that, okay? So I'm going to put this over here, I'm going to put this over here, put this one over here, and I'll put this here, put that here like so. And obviously you'd spend a bit more time on it than what I'm doing here, but I'm just trying to show you this very quickly for the sake of the video. Okay, so that there is my text. So let me just do this. I'm going to make that, and click on there, I'm going to double click, go away, sorry, let me just get rid of Grammarly. So I'm going to click on here, like so, and I'm going to make this bigger. Okay, let's just make it really big. Beat the market. In fact, I'm just going to get rid of everything, just so you can see it on the screen. So let's get rid of that, let's get rid of that, let's get rid of that. Beat the market. But basically, you would try and make this congruent with the product over here. Okay, now this is the important part. So that long link that we got, let me get rid of that. That long link, I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to click on, you see these buttons up here, click on there, and you see this over here, this link button. We click on that and we click on paste, and that is our affiliate link from Clickbank. Okay, beat the market, and you can make this a bit better if you wanted to. So if I want to make it a bit bigger, like so, we can move it over like this. Beat the market. We could also just, or you could even go with something really easy like this. You could go click here. Oh, sorry, you do this. You'd type in click here to learn more. Okay. Put a couple more arrows like so. Now again, if you're not happy with any part of this, look, you can do this. You can just move it around until you're happy with how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to do this like so. Let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to highlight all of that. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to put in my link, paste my link in there and click on apply. Okay, once you're happy with this, you just click up here where it says publish as a website. Then what happens is, so we're just going to click on open website. We have now got this here, what is known as a landing page, and obviously you'd have your colours on here and you'd have a message which is relevant to the products which you've found over on Clickbank. Now if I click on here, watch what happens. I click on there, it opens up in a new tab. Now watch what happens up here. It's sending me over to, look, beat the market, hop equals my affiliate link. It's sending me over to the product over on Clickbank. So it's really simple stuff. Now at this moment in time, I'm not worried about email lists and other things because this is a free method we're focusing on today. Okay, so this is our link. So we've got a product which is all about what is it all about? What is it all about? It's about stock investing made simple. Stock investing made simple. So now we've got a product and we've created our mini landing page over here. How do we drive traffic to this? Well, it's really simple. You can go on Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest and those platforms if you want to. What I like to focus on is evergreen traffic. So you can do that in a number of ways. The easiest way to do this is like so. So you'd come over onto this platform here called Quora.com. And you would type in a question relevant to the products which you found on Clickbank. So we'll just type in stock investing as an example, okay? Now look, what is the best online stock investing tool for a beginner? All of these are questions which people are asking on the platform, okay? So you can go on here and answer any of these questions. And inside of your answer, you can drop a link over to your landing page, which was this one over here, this Canva one, okay? So let me just copy that so you see how this works. So you would answer the question on Quora here. So this is the question. You would click on answer and you would put in an answer relevant to this. Inside of that, you could say, I found this product really helpful, etc. Or check this out, or whatever basically. But once you've put something in there, it's the same process. You highlight it and you click on here and you paste that URL in from Canva like so. So we click on there and we click on add. Okay, and look, it's now highlighted and you can see it's got our link over here. So the other thing what you can do on here is, if you don't know this, and if you don't know how to answer this question, what principles do you follow in stock investing, there's a couple of things that you can do with this. You could just very simply do this and go to Google and see, have a look. I mean, look at this, 10 fundamental investors. Let's just click on this one as an example, and you just take out the key points in this article here. So like these headlines here, look, embrace investing in a strategy, etc. And you could just reword this. It's not hard to do. The other thing you could do is you could go over to a website like Easy Articles, for example. You could come over here, and again, we'd just type in stock investing. And look, is penny stock worth investing? So you could go through here and you could find, look, growth stock investing. So you can go into these and you can use the content in here as well. And don't just copy and paste it. You'd want to rewrite a little bit of this yourself. But this works in any category or in any niche. It's a genuinely simple process. And the awesome thing why I like, use and recommend Quora over here is, once you answer a question on here, so you'd answer the question, you'd simply click on post, that would then go live on Quora. And basically, once you've posted an answer on the platform, that becomes evergreen for you because people are always looking and, interested in health, wealth and fitness. So all of these, if you scroll down here, look, you've got people who have answered this question recently, and you also have thousands of people who are reading these answers over on Quora every single day. The other thing what's pretty cool is on the right hand side you've got related questions. So guess what? You could go answer this one, you could answer this one, etc. The only thing with Quora is every time you answer a question or click any of these, it opens up in a new tab. Okay? So you do end up with a lot of tabs on here. But look, let me show you why this method is awesome. So if I come over here and I'm going to go to stats, this is on my personal platform on Quora. In the last 30 days, you can see here, I have had 780 views on answers that I have given in the past, okay? That's in the last 30 days. If I just click on last 3 months, look at this, nearly 8,500 views on questions I have answered in the past. But here's the great thing about this. How do I get free Udemy courses? I'm going to click on there. Look, it's had 1,806. Let me go over here. I answered this the 21st of August and I've not touched it since. What am I doing here? So someone's asked a question, I've given them an answer, and I am linking out to my blog on that example there. Let's go find another one. Let's have a look at, is there any way to make money with Google Maps? Again, 1,000 views. Let's have a look at this. When did I answer this question here? It's the 8th of September 2020. So you see, I hope you're starting to understand and appreciate exactly how good and awesome this method is. You can spend 10 or 15 minutes setting all of this up today and answer a few questions. I mean, look at this here. I answered this in 2018, and yet it's still getting views, and it's also getting people over to my blog, over to my websites, and different affiliate products. It's not a hard process, as you've seen. So I hope you found this method useful. If you've got any comments or questions, please let me know. But look, this is one way you can make money with affiliate marketing. There are other things that you could do to make a lot more. You can also do things like you could set up different funnels, you can get people's emails and follow up with them that way, but we've briefly touched on this free method today. If you want more ways of doing this, then check out the links down below. I've got a free affiliate marketing course, and I've also got lots of articles over on my blog about affiliate marketing. I share case studies on here and lots more. So yeah, look, I hope that all made sense for you. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.